All right, hi everyone. I went ahead and take a look at the questions and answers on Nearpods, and it seems like the first open-ended questions, a lot of you were not answering it completely. I think you were a little bit confused, or I needed some more specific answers, and I felt like I wasn't getting what I wanted, and there were too many of you. So actually, as of now, most of the people I saw were not giving me the right answer. So I figured, let's just go ahead and do it together, okay? So here we go. Okay, so this is the question, and basically the question says, decide whether the triangles are congruent, justify your answers. All right, so this is what I was looking for. Okay, according to this, we know that DF, or side DF, is congruent to side XZ. Remember, I can call it ZX or XZ, it doesn't matter, okay? And then DE is congruent to side YX or XY. So it doesn't matter, I wrote XY. And then the third side is EF is congruent to YZ. So that's perfect. So we know all the sides of this triangle are congruent to all the sides of that triangle. So that's perfect. Now we need all the angles. So according to this, angle D is congruent to angle X. And angle E is congruent to angle Y. What we don't know is that angle Z and F are congruent, but technically we do know that. It may not be given, but we know that they are congruent. And here's the reason why. Remember in the video I showed you third angles theorem? Remember that triangles are bounded by 180 degrees. So if this is 90, this is 90. Okay? Remember the little squares means they're 90 degrees. I don't know what those measurements are, but whatever they are, we know they're exactly the same. So suppose I said it is, just going to give it a number. Say it is 50. Okay? Then this is 50. Well, according to this, I already have 140 degrees. So what's my only possible measurement the third angle could be? 40. But the exact same thing is happening over here. So this is 40. So guess what? This has to be congruent. Has to be. Let me give it two curves. Looks like one. Okay. So therefore, I could say angle F and angle Z are congruent, and that's by the third angles theorem. Okay, so guess what? All the corresponding sides and all the corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles, they are congruent. All the sides, all the angles are congruent. So that's it. Hope this helps.